What is going on, everybody? Captain Namco here. So I have found a old General Electric clock. It's supposed to have a lighted dial, but the light does not work. But I'll show you that the clock itself does work. So you can see the light does not work. And the alarm works on it. Let me see if I can get her to buzz for you. Got an old vintage 70s buzzer sound to it. There you go. That's the old alarm for you. It's got like an old 70s buzzer to it. But the clock actually works pretty good. It's not like a it's almost like one of those electric clocks like what the schools used to have years ago. I think that's pretty cool. Okay. That's where we're going to end the video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and a comment down below. We'll see you next time. Maybe before I go, I always want to remind you, Jesus loves you, and have a wonderful day, y'all.